Hello guys, this is Vish and you're watching Learn Basics. So welcome again a question and answer series. So I'm here with two new questions. Okay. So the first question is that how you can reduce the background noise. Okay. Means when you prepare a video that what method we should use to reduce the background noise. Okay. So this was the first question. The second question is that how to reduce the video size. Okay. You know that when we prepare a video, if we wanted to reduce its size, then what method we should adopt to reduce its size. Okay. So if you have a same question, stay watching this video. So guys, before I proceed the video to important points, you'll get videos in two different languages, Hindi and English. Second, don't forget to subscribe to learn something new. So let's start video and let's understand the answer of these two questions. Okay. So guys, let's take a first question. Okay, that how you can reduce the background noise of any video. So for this, you need to use a software called Audacity. Okay. Use Audacity to reduce a background noise of any video. Okay, this is very simple. You can easily download Audacity and you can reduce the background noise. How could you do that? There are a lot of tutorials are available on internet, on YouTube. You can understand that how you can use to remove your background noise. Okay, still you have a problem, so write in comment section. I'll try to make separate video for this. Okay, but if you need a better voice quality, okay, so you use collar mic and record your voice separately. Okay. After that, merge with your video, you will get spectacular voice quality. Okay, but if you don't want to use all this, so simply use Audacity to remove your background noise. So let's come to the second video, that how you could reduce the size of a video. Sometimes what happens when we create a video, so we start thinking that there may be some method that we could reduce the size of a video. Okay, the size is little large, so we wanted to reduce that size. Okay, so for that you can use a software called Handbrake. Okay, Handbrake is a very good software. I already use that software. Okay, so you can reduce your video size of your video without losing the quality of your video. That is a very important factor. Okay, but we should understand that how we can use the Handbrake. Means you need to set a parameter in a standard way that your video quality should still remain and the size should be according to your choice. Okay, and how you can do that? There are a lot of tutorials are available on internet. You can understand that how to use Handbrake, how to download it and how to use it. Still you have a problem, so write in comment section. I'll try to create a separate video on that. So I hope guys this video will be helpful for you. So keep watching, keep learning. We'll meet in the next interesting video. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.